Do you think English is difficult? Are you scared to speak English in front of others? If yes, then this video is for you. Let me tell you a secret. English is not as hard as it seems. You just need the right approach, and I'll show you how to speak English confidently. Part 1. Why people think English is difficult. 1. Many people think, I can't speak English, but why? It's just a language, not a challenge. 2. They feel scared of making mistakes. 3. Some people think the grammar must be 100% perfect. 4. And others worry, what will people think? Simple tip. Mistakes are normal. Even native speakers make mistakes. The key is to keep trying. Part 2. How to start speaking English. 1. Use short and simple sentences. Start with phrases like, how are you? I am fine. What is your name? My name is. 2. Talk about your daily routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to school. I love tea. 3. Practice speaking with yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and say simple sentences. For example, I am learning English. I can do it. Part 3. Be confident, not perfect. 1. Nobody speaks perfect English, so don't worry. 2. Focus on confidence, not on big words. 3. If you don't know a word, use an easy one or explain it. For example, if you forget, delicious, say, it tastes very good. Quick tip, smile while speaking. It shows confidence. Part 4. Practice daily. 1. Speak English every day, even for 5 minutes. 2. Talk to your family, friends, or even your pet in English. 3. Watch English movies or listen to English songs. Repeat the lines. Here are some bonus exercise. Say these sentences daily. I can speak English. I will improve every day. I am confident. Remember, English is just a language, not a test. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Slowly, you will improve, and one day, you'll speak fluently and confidently. So, stop thinking and start speaking today. If you found this video helpful, like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tips on learning English. See you in the next video.